Do I look good with these glasses? Do I look more believable with the glasses? Yeah, I don't actually wear glasses. Okay, but on a real note, so seriously, welcome to the channel, FitVaks. The reason why I'm starting this is I think there's a lot of people out there with insanely good genetics, and I don't really have the best genes. In terms of abs and where my fat specifically is located, I'd say I have shitty genes. And I want to show you my journey of what it's like to get fit, get shredded, how it takes to get motivation. I think there's a lot of topics to cover, and fitness isn't just specifically about lifting weights, bodybuilding, although that's a huge portion, that's pretty awesome, and go over all those topics. So today's video is going to cover 3 really awesome home workouts that I do to stay fit in quarantine. Day 1, we got legs and lower back. A lot of these exercises are body weight. You can also do a lot of them with weights, and even if you don't have weights, I'm sure you can find something else in your house, like chairs. Or suitcases. Or a pretty classic replacement for weight, laundry detergent. Just kidding about the laundry detergent.
What the heck? Is that a camera? Is somebody watching this right now? Is it recording? Oh shit, is this a video for home workout day 2? So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing push-ups, as you probably already guessed from me doing a few push-ups before. That's about probably my top set. So it's a pretty effective home workout. Anyone can do it. You can do variations of push-ups if you want to. But my favorite that I grew to love over the quarantine period was doing 30 minutes, as many reps as possible, AMRAP. And so the biggest thing is to take breaks throughout, but the goal obviously is to do as many as you can during these 30 minutes. So you want to portion, I guess, around even amounts. And yeah.
Alright guys, this is probably the most exciting part of the video, so I'm going to put this all in slow motion, so it's probably going to be an hour and 30 minutes, but we're actually going to time-lapse this. Who actually wants to see me do 30 minutes of push-ups, even sped up? I don't want to see it, you don't want to see it, nobody wants to see it. I got 562 push-ups. Comment down below how many you get in your 30-minute AMRAP workout, or how many you think you can get.
Alright guys, so that is more or less it. That is, so tired I can't even say it. That is 30 minutes.
as many reps as possible. You don't have to do 30 minutes. You could do 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Just make sure to take breaks in between, around even breaks, around even reps, and do as many as possible. I mean, crazy burn on your shoulders a bit, on your chest, on your arms, specifically more tris, of course, and overall like abs, core, / burnout. Check this out. Let me just awkwardly taking off my shirt. As you can see, my chest looks fucking good here. I mean, honestly, this gym here doesn't have the best lighting. It's, I don't know, these smaller lights, older lights, place all right, but doesn't matter. When your chest is big, you're big. All right, we're gonna take a quick drink right now. I'm exhausted. I did not take one sip the entire time. You should also definitely drink water. All right, guys, now we're gonna take some protein, get our protein shake in. I'm gonna do 2 scoops. I'm probably not gonna eat a little bit after this. And yeah, I normally have Dymatize. And done, and it leaked. Amber. Day 3 right now, and we are doing pull-ups. So we're gonna do back and buys. I think it's sort of the last day we covered more or less legs and lower back. We did chest, and it's a bit of shoulders and triceps as well. So really all that's left in terms of major muscles are really just your back and your biceps, and they work out pretty well together because you got 2 major exercises you can do. You can do pull-ups and you can do rows. So most people have a pull-up bar, or you can buy one. Go to your local park. There's just a lot of different options out there. I'm lucky enough to have one right here that I can use, but pull-ups are pretty good. Failed attempt at doing a 1-armed pull-up. Maybe I'll be able to do those later. But yeah, so pull-ups is one way. So check out this quick pull-up workout.